Hello everybody, this is Marius from Pickup Media. One question that I get asked often is how do I photograph a bracelet, and tennis bracelets in particular. Tennis bracelets can be very tricky because of the way that they lie and also of how rigid they are. So just to show you today, I have this beautiful multicolored tennis bracelet. I've got it sitting in the center of the turntable inside the GemLightbox. And just to take a photograph of this, I'm going to put the front cover on. Put our phone in front like this. I've got the application open already, and we're just gonna open the camera and we'll zoom out a little bit just to get the whole bracelet inside the shot. Press camera button and then we've got a beautiful photograph. So we've got that nice rose gold coming through, we've got all the colors coming through on the gemstones and the nice white background. So that's going to be the first photograph that I take. With the way that tennis bracelets work, the gemstones are usually facing forwards towards us. So you get a more of a front-on view of the gemstones or the diamonds. You can also take the phone off the stand and you can also move your phone sideways. So this is the angle that we were getting previously. It's a top-down angle. And what you can do is with your hands, you can adjust the range of motion. And as you're moving, you can get different angles on the bracelet. We'll also zoom out a little bit just to get the whole bracelet inside the shot. And as you see, when you move the phone down to this angle, we're gonna get a beautiful front-on shot of the bracelet. And from this angle, you're gonna be able to see all the gemstones face on, and you're gonna be able to see the face of the diamonds on the bracelet as well. So as you can see, we're getting really nice color, really nice clarity on there. So let's save that, and then we can go to the gallery and I can compare the two photographs that we've just taken. So this was the first photograph we took, and this is the second photograph, and they're both really good. They show different angles of the same bracelet, which is very good for e-commerce. And you're going to be able to use these two straight away just to show your clients how your bracelets look. This is how I normally photograph tennis bracelets and other bracelets as well. I hope this video was helpful. Please feel free to comment below or message us directly if you have any questions about GemLightbox or jewelry photography. Thank you.